Keep the weight on them. Remember that erg we done the other day? That's how hard we've got to go, girls. Plenty of power on them. There's not much in it. Nice and strong. We're rowing away from this crew next to us. Avoca is two crews across. We're pretty much neck and neck with them. The other crews I think are all males. We're about 100 metres off our turning buoy. Let's go. Nice and strong. $50 to our can, girls. Let's lift it in now. Lift it in. Nice and strong. 20 to go. Let's drive it in now. And turn. Take it away now. Let's go. Let's drive it out of here. Get it moving, girls. Get it moving. Suck that air in. Let's look for those lifts on the way home. Feel that one come under us there? That little bit extra squeeze when they come under us. We will get runs out here today, even though it's flat. There's another good one coming up behind us. Let's go now. Let's take it up a little bit, Fee. Go with the girls. Let's go there. There it is. Run that. Run on that. Feel that little bit extra squeeze on the legs. Run that one. That's it. Nice and strong. Now length and power again. Length and power. Watch that timing. Together, Trace, just a fraction early. Here comes another little run. Let's go now. Lift for it. Lift for it there. There it is. Run that one. Run on that one. Run on that one together. That's it. That's it. Feel the boat go and accelerate with it. Let's get us into that wave area, girls. Nice and strong. Keep it going. Just watching our timing, girls. You're all rushing. 3 is a rushing Fee. Let's go. Run that little one there. Just row it all the way in, girls. There's nothing coming, nothing for us, no help. Let's keep it going. And let it run. Well done. Ready to get out.